Did someone tell you that you can also become rich by day trading in the share market? By seeing some crazy profit booking videos on YouTube, your brain neurons fired a thought that you can also do it and suddenly you become a day trader? Cool. This video is for you, my trading beginner. I'm going to tell you why it's a trap. Let's get into the video. Hi, welcome to Let's Make Education Free channel. Hope you are doing good and thanks a lot for the support. I will always give my best to provide valuable content. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for future videos. If 90% of day traders fail, then why does day trading still exist? Is day trading similar to playing lotto or betting in casinos? Is it really easy like how so many financial YouTubers sound? Before answering these questions, let's spend some seconds understanding what day trading is. Day trading basically refers to the practice of purchasing and selling a security within a single trading day. Actually, I'm not against it. Anybody can do day trading, but please don't call yourself as a successful day trader until your strategy works for at least a year. There's nothing wrong with day trading, but you can't simply do it in a short time. All the early profits you will be booking are purely luck. Don't take that as a real knowledge. You will acquire the real knowledge only after spending at least a year in it. Till then, all the green days and red days, please don't use that information to judge your knowledge. Some people say it's like betting or lottery. Then why is this legally allowed? Imagine what would happen if there are no day traders. Every day people buy and sell shares. If you are buying the share, that means someone is selling. So if everyone becomes a long-term investor and no one wants to sell the shares for 10 years, imagine how the prices will shoot up. And if a new investor comes in, where will he go for shares? That's why we need day traders. They are really important for this cycle. To really master day trading, we need to understand how this industry functions. We need to spend a lot of time learning this alone. Losses made by day traders or short-term traders are the profits big institutions make. See, brokerage firms will make you to do a lot of transactions because only then they can become rich. Let's take this famous saying, 90% of traders lose money. If that's the case, then so many people will leave the market after losing their capital. That's why, to make money, brokerage firms have no other choice than bringing in new traders. So you have to be very careful if you're a beginner. As a retail trader, your power is really low and the big boys clearly know that you will not win. I can't stress this enough. Let's look at this graph about human psychology. People with low ability at a task overestimate their ability in the beginning, and later, only after spending some time in the task, they will come to know about their true ability. That's why I ask you to judge yourself after spending a year in day trading. This graph is called the Dunning-Kruger effect. This is a Nobel Prize winning research, so please don't underestimate this study. You can apply this for all aspects of life. So this is the place where big boys really make money from poor souls. So please ask yourself why you want to do day trading. If the answer is true passion and willing to spend years to acquire the skill, then yeah, go ahead and learn all the techniques. Wish you good luck. If you just started thinking it's an easy way to make money, all the best. Another important thing is to not to confuse long-term investing with short-term trades. Many people do it. Sometimes they even call themselves as an investor by only doing day trading or swing trading. No, if you're only doing day trading or swing trading, then you're not an investor. Let me save you some time by telling you what cycle you will go through. If you start as a day trader, slowly you will move to swing trading since you want a less stressful environment. And then eventually you will move to long-term investing. If you start as a long-term investor, you always would like to try swing trading or day trading for more excitement. I follow a simple strategy after trying many things. I invest in growth and dividend stocks for the long term, And now and then I play with very little money in short term trading for excitement. So try the things and figure it out what works for you. And do not invest a lot of capital until you learn what works for you. Instead of talking about all these things, I think it'll add more value if I share some of my recent trades. I built some confidence with the strategy as it was consistently yielding some profit. Then slowly I started leveraging. Boom! Minus 8%, minus 11%. And finally, disaster. Minus 60%, eating all the profits I made earlier. Hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. Time in the market is much better than timing the market. Okay, let me summarize. Don't do day trading without proper education. Don't blindly follow any financial YouTuber or get tempted with their profit booking videos. Always start with a small capital and slowly you can move on. If you're new to share market and you get an itching that you want to buy something, go and buy Nifty 50 index fund and do SIP. Watch this video to understand why index fund is better than mutual fund. That's all from me for this video, and I'm extremely sorry for the delay. My health is kind of okay, but I still have a throat infection and I get continuous cough if I speak loud. Remember, the best investment in the world is taking care of your health. Take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button and please share this video with your friends who are new to share market. Let's make education free.